So let me give you an example, okay? So let's say that till about 3 years back, as a business person, I was only doing the regular work, design work, or conceptualizing products, or I was looking at only furniture and decor and stuff, okay? So 3 years later, I realized that, the business is any which way is going to take off, but I want to do something for the world, okay? So I have a purpose, I have an objective, or I want to do something for the world. Some people call it a mission that they want to. These are all words, okay? They don't have to kind of be taken so literally and seriously and stuff, okay? So the point is this, that now I want to make a change, or I want to kind of do something for the world and stuff. And I kind of take a break from my product development, and I kind of focus on, or I set a target, or I set a goal that I'm going to kind of contribute food, which I've been doing literally, over the years, to people at AIMS or at various hospitals, or I'll be kind of, giving away grocery products or rice or something for feeding dogs around in my neighborhood, or I'm going to buy milk, or I'm going to kind of, get someone to make paneer or something like that for dogs or animals around me and stuff. So how do I do this? So I have to set a target. I have to set a goal. I have to plan it out. How am I going to do it? And when it becomes a daily habit for me, or it becomes my daily objective, or a goal, or a task that I do, or a decision that I make, or a choice that I make, then I'm able to kind of continue with that for a longer time. So if I don't do this over a number of months or a year or something, then the purpose or the objective of where I started goes for a toss. So that's why I emphasize it's very important to have these little choices in terms of habits, or writing down in your diary a to-do list, or a goal, or a task, or a small decision, or a random act of kindness, or something which is going to kind of give direction to your reality, right? So this is about a concrete plan, or taking action in that way. So, all the terms like why emphasize so much on goals, and why not on anything else? Well, if you don't have a goal, or you don't have any action happening, then it's just a khayali plow. You're not doing much about it. Okay, it's all talk, right? So also now when it comes to, let's say you have. Let's say you want to participate in a competition. Let's say you participate in a fashion show and stuff, but you're overweight now, okay? So you know that to participate in this fashion show, or to participate